Tutorial: CLP Smart and SKF eLube app pump settings. This tutorial refers to the instructions of use for the SKF eLube app. The tutorial will introduce the main pump settings of the CLP Smart via the SKF eLube app. You will learn how to view the pump information and how to give feedback, how to view and share the current pump settings, and how to change, save and load pump settings. How to view the pump information and send feedback. Tap on the info icon to view the pump information. Tap to reveal the complete product code of your pump. Tap to read the product manual. If you want to give feedback, tap on Feedback. Your email app opens, and a prepared message, including the product code, is shown. Complete the message with your feedback and tap to Send. How to view and share pump settings. Tap on the gear icon to share the current pump settings. You can export the settings via email by tapping on Share. Your email app opens, and a prepared message with the pump settings opens. Add the recipient's email address and tap to Send. How to edit, save and load pump settings. Tap on the gear icon to edit the current pump settings. To change the pump settings, tap on Edit. By tapping on the mode, you can choose the working mode of the pump. Confirm by tapping OK. Depending on the mode, you can set the lubrication and the pause time. Enable or disable piston monitoring. To choose the number of working cycles after a low-level warning, tap on the button, choose the number and confirm with OK. You can save your settings by tapping on Save. Name your settings for better traceability, and confirm with Save. You can load your saved settings by tapping on Load. Choose the setting you want to load. To apply the setting, press Apply. Uploading and applying settings requires password authentication. Enter your individual pump password and confirm. Read the manual for more information.